Hello, this is Thomas. Me and Ate built this. Now look. Thomas goes first. Oh, Thomas is stuck. Oh no! Stop! Stop, everyone! Stop. The bridge just broke. So we have to restart first.
Sorry about the accident.
Okay.
Let's start.
It's going up the hill.
Now to the dark under.
Whoa, this is too fast.
Oh,
For a clickety clack.
and they passed the slide.
Percy, slow. Thomas,
Oh,
catch.
James is really fast under the tunnel of wisdom.
Now they're going to the circle land.
This is a really big slide. Okay, now they're going over here. Let's see them. You want me to make this camera?
Oh, looks like that Percy is so slow.
Say bye, say bye.
Bye.